What's goody guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I want to show you a completely different side of meme coins that you might not even know yet, and that is deving. Most people watching this right now are still trading and losing thousands of dollars, but on the other hand we are deving and printing thousands of dollars on the traders. You buy a coin hoping it pumps, the dev watches your buy hit and then dumps straight on your head every single time. So in this video I'm flipping that. I'm breaking down my full deving strategy. All we're doing is finding viral narratives, creating a coin, launching it, and then cashing out on all the traders who buy our coin. And that's exactly why deving meme coins is way safer and way more profitable than trading, because you have nothing to lose. So in this video, I'm going to give you my $1 million strategy, step by step, completely free. Looking for a free boost to get started? Make sure to stay until the end. I'll randomly drop multiple souls somewhere in this video and you won't want to miss your chance. Look at the screen, $5.3 million in my Phantom wallet. I know you all are curious to know what I do. I'm just deving the meme coins instead of watching trading charts all day, and I will give you the same strategy that I use for my meme coin launches and cash out hundreds and thousands of dollars, so stick to the video. Everyone is still obsessed with the Pump.fun lottery, but look at the data on Photon. It's a graveyard of 1 second candles. You're fighting a losing battle against thousands of other devs. The real opportunity? It's right here on Raydium. The launch frequency is lower, the buyers are more intentional, and you actually have a chance to trend. If you want to stop gambling and start winning, you need to launch where the big money settles. Now listen, most of you aren't losing money because you're bad at reading charts. You're losing because you're playing a rigged game. You buy into a moonshot, pray for a pump, and then get absolutely liquidated by the dev who created the coin. You are their exit liquidity. In 2026, the meta has shifted. Trading is a gamble. Deving is a business. It costs literally $0 to launch a coin right now. Why would you keep gambling on someone else's project when you can be the one in control? You decide when to clip profits, when to scale, and when to move to the next one. It's going to be fucking insane. The Pump.fun meta is exhausted. When you launch there, you're fighting 5,000 other devs for a tiny slice of attention. Plus, their new pump swap system traps your liquidity in a closed loop with massive fees. I'm moving to Raydium because that's where the sticky volume is. By launching on Raydium directly, you get better eyes on the project, you keep more of your profit, and you're actually positioned to scale instead of just gambling on a bonding curve. So yeah, this is exactly why I personally use launchmeme.fun. Honestly, it's one of the best launch pads for Raydium right now because it completely skips the whole bonding curve phase. Your token goes straight to Raydium instantly. That means you're getting exposure to thousands of active buyers right from the moment you launch. And the best part is you still control your entire supply. Now, there are basically two ways to create a coin on launchmeme.fun. First option, you build something from scratch. If you've already got a community, a solid idea, or just a narrative you're convinced will go viral, you can turn that into a coin and launch it right here. You can even go hunting for trending topics on X or other socials to catch them early. Whether you're starting from a blank slate or using the free Twitter tracker, the goal is to move fast. There are thousands of tweets hitting the feed every second from massive accounts like Elon Musk or Donald Trump. With this tool, you can basically turn those viral moments into coins instantly. It's that quick. You can use it to launch your own stuff or just use the data to trade. It's totally up to you. Best of all, it's completely free. Second option, and this is my favorite, is the copy trending coins strategy. Basically, instead of guessing what might work, you're taking coins that are already blowing up on Pump.fun. These tokens already have momentum, real volume, active buyers, and most importantly, a proven narrative. So what you do is simple. You copy those coins directly to Raydium. Now you're not starting from zero. You're tapping into existing demand. You're putting your version of the coin in front of a fresh wave of traders. And since the original coin is already viral, you've got a much higher chance of attracting buyers, sometimes even outperforming the original. So yeah, your odds of catching early profits are just way better with this method. All right, let me show you exactly how to do it. Let's go. All right, so first things first, connect your Phantom wallet. Once you're in, hit refresh and start looking for a coin that actually has the potential to run, something with a strong narrative, good market cap, basically something that could turn into a banger. For this example, I'm going with the CEASEFIRE coin. And click copy to Raydium right here, wait for the phantom wallet to pop up. Every single launch at the beginning, you'll see a warning, just ignore it, it's completely normal. It shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirm. Give it a second to load, and boom, our token is live on the Solana blockchain. Now check your coin on SolScan, and yeah, we're live on chain 11 seconds ago. It's all moving. Now it's time to create a liquidity pool for our token. Now return to the site and click create liquidity pool. This page right here is really simple. For the people who don't know what this is, we are just creating the liquidity pool. So once the liquidity pool is created, people will be able to buy your supply and it will be directly in the Raydium DEX. Okay, it's really important to do this step because otherwise your coin will not be live on the chain. Now for the amount of coins, click on 90%. That will drop whatever that amount is for 90%. Right under for the amount of SOL to pair, that is the first buy in your own coin. By the way, bro, you are not losing anything here. It's the first buy, okay? You are just exchanging some of your SOL for some supply to make profits later on. If you want to cash out your money and you want it back, you can just cash out and it will come back in your phantom wallet. So it's not a big deal. It's not like if you spent anything, right? But yeah, here I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, then click on create pool and then just wait for the phantom wallet to pop up. As always, you'll see a warning. Ignore it. It shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirm. Boom, your coin is open for trade. Now just scroll down and bang, the CEASEFIRE coin is now officially created and live on the chain. Okay, people can see our coin and your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at this moment, click on refresh and then it will refresh right here. And as you guys can see, our P and L went up to 139 bucks, which is a 410% gain in a couple of seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. Now click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some buyers, but to add spice to the token, I'm going to use a quick promotion tool which boosts the token. So head over to promote memes.fun and just forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on DEX Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, then simply paste your token address and choose your promotion. There are free and 0.1 SOL promotion is also available, but I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this CEASEFIRE, select Raydium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote. Approve the transaction, wait for a phantom wallet to pop up, and then just click confirm and you are done. Now just watch, it's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 3,000 or 4,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my god, bro, more people are buying in. I think we're up like $7,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars. This is insane. If the meme is hot and if you use the right tool for MemeCoin promotion, then you can cash out good money. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm going to give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. All right, guys, I am back and bang, bro. We are up to a $8.5 thousand market cap. It's actually fucking insane. Like, it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. I think the question is here now, how we can get profit from this launch. So I'm going to, dump it. Now come back to launchmeme.fun and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, bro, 5K is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video. Right now, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for Phantom Wallet to just show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you do it from the best. Now, if I return to the chart, you can see liquidity is removed. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $5,632 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will. Every site will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Peace out. Before you jump in and start building a coin, I want to give one of you a head start. I'm giving away multiple souls to so many people to help cover your initial deployment costs. Here's how you can enter. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. Give this video a like and leave a comment below with the words launch. I'll choose the winner in exactly 48 hours and announce it on my Telegram channel. Be sure to follow it, because if you're not following, you won't be eligible to receive any soul coins. I also share regular giveaways there, so keep your eye on it and don't miss your chance.